Hello viewers, welcome to the new chapter of EEC's channel, which is Talkshow, the game show. So today's videos will be a very hands-on class because we will to discuss how to achieve your dreams with our special and our guest star today with me Bella and also with EEC. So viewers, please take your computer or at least your notebook to write things down and then you can start your research right now. So let's do this, let's start. So viewers, without any further ado, please welcome our special guest of today, Redolka.
Thank you.
You look so good today.
Yes, I'm good. I'm excited.
Okay, you're so excited. It must. Okay, Redo, how's your diet?
Actually, everything is running well right now. Activities in academic and non-academic also organizations. So gratefully, everything is running well.
Okay, so there's good news for you because you are doing good and I'm too because I'm doing good too.
Yes.
So Redo, talking about our team today, there is Achieve Your Dream. So
that's the team.
Yes,
Okay.
there's a team. So,
I am just know about the team.
so there's our team today, Achieve Your Dreams, right?
Okay.
So Redo, what's the meaning of dreams from your opinion?
Okay, the meaning of dreams, I will answer it in 30 seconds.
Okay.
Look like a pageant question, right?
Waktunya 60 detik, silakan lihat ke depan, dimulai dari sekarang.
I think dreams are a person's hopes and goals. And also, I think dreams are the key that will determine people what would like to become in the future and also motivate us to live life. I think that's the truth. In my opinion, yeah?
From your opinion?
Yeah.
But Redo, do you have any dreams right now?
Of course, there are a lot of dreams and targets that I wanted to achieve in the future. You already know, right?
Should I share it?
Yes, please.
PCPM
35 Sionto.
There's your dreams right now, but have you any dreams that you have to achieve?
Actually, I have been achieved several dreams so far.
So many dreams.
Such as studying with scholarship and then being able to participate in international events.
Oh my god.
Also going abroad before graduating from university.
Oh, okay.
And then I have been ever accepted in my dreams in major and university. Can you guess it?
No, where's that? Okay.
Ever, just ever.
Just ever.
Just ever.
So Redo, there is your achievement that you have achieved right now. So in nowadays in the circle of our city student, so many of our friends that have the same dreams like you, right? So where do you can get your inspiration, especially inspiration to going abroad like you?
Okay. Honestly, I don't remember.
You don't remember it, Redo?
When,
Seriously?
yes, when and who the exact person or people that inspired me. But actually, I got the inspiration from the people around me, from my environment.
Okay.
When I see that there are my friends that doing short course or international conference. Even I get the inspiration from the people that I have known before, like from Instagram or from YouTube.
Unknown role models, right?
Unknown role model. Just
Like
because that, yeah,
influencer.
oftenly I doing research from this platform, Instagram and YouTube about the program or the event that I can join and then what kind of things that I have to prepare. And also I get the inspiration to become the first person in my house to go abroad and I did it.
Okay, you did
That's
it.
my inspiration.
That's good. Okay, there's your inspiration. So next jumps to the next question. Redo,
Bella.
in the middle of the process when you achieve your dreams, do you have any struggles and how you can get out from that?
Actually, of course, and absolutely there are struggles that I'm facing on. Like when I have to registering myself to the event or to the program, I have to prepare the documents that needed like CV, to fulfill the application form or making an essay. And then the other things that I have to prepare is making a proposal if you're accepted because you have to get fund from the government, from the faculty, from the company. Yeah, I have to find the sponsorship just because that mostly the event that I attended it is partially funded, so I have to responsible or take care on my airfare ticket. And then you have to prepare about your visa also if it is needed when you get accepted. Yeah,
This is your struggle. So,
This is struggle that I'm facing.
what kind of things that you should prepare for your?
I think first thing that you have to prepare before you going abroad, especially to join the program, you have to know what is the purpose of your trip. What would you like to do in that country, especially you want to just for the holiday or for the business, conference or short course. So you have to know what is the purpose of your trip. This first things that needed. And then the second one, you have to prepare the documents like the passport, the visa, and then the clothes.
Okay.
Because it is depends on the season, so you have to prepare about the clothes. If it is winter, maybe you can use the coat from Zeta Fathers. Just an example.
There's a lot of your preparation.
Yeah, there's one. I think it's one of the most important thing. You have to prepare about your itinerary or schedule. What would you
So you
do?
should make some
Yeah,
to-do list.
to-do list in that country that you want to visit it. Because I think it's important so you can know about the budget or about the money that you will spend during your trip. I think it's
Okay, so I
Yeah,
wanna
Dela.
ask you. Yes, Sergo. So I wanna ask you, when you wanna prepare your scholarship, so where do you can find some information about your international scholarship?
Actually, I got the information. I found it in the Instagram also website. Usually I found it in the Instagram. It should be here. Happy Youths also Info Beasiswa. And then in the website, I actually found it opportunity desk also youth opportunities. That's the way or how I can find the information about the exchange, fellowship, student exchange. Everything you can find it in that website and in that Instagram. They always update too.
Okay, they're always updated. So for you viewers that wanna know about some information about the international scholarship, you can try to follow up some link and also
Down below, link down below.
Opportunity desk and also the
And friends.
Instagram account
Yeah.
is there. So talk about your international conference which is held in another country like Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, and for the latest.
Sorry. Don't be too much.
Okay, and for the latest is New York City, USA, right? So do you have any funny moment when you going for it there?
Of course, I did not know. Actually, it is. I did not know it was funny or it is embarrassing. Just because I think I did it because I got the inspiration from Leonardo Edwin from his YouTube channel on my flight from Jakarta to Doha. Actually, when I already ate my food, and then I'm trying to ask again to the flight attendants, can I have main meal again? And then suddenly a few moments later, the flight attendants came with the full set of menu. I think I just asked for the main meal, not the full set of menu. So I'm grateful. I don't know. Yeah, and then I think the another one is I do not know. I think because it is different culture between the Eastern and the Western. This is my very first time ever seeing the people doing. Oh my God! Cut, please. Cut. In the road in front of the stove. I know that it is winter season. It is cold, but can you imagine me?
Maybe there's
Culture shock. Yeah. Different habits also. The culture shock that. I'm sorry, guys.
I'm so shocked to hear that. There's a really funny moment. So viewers, because this is Talkshow, the game show, there's not enough hours if we don't play any games. So right now today, I have the games. There is a rapid question. Okay. The rules is you should to choose one from to choose that I give to you. Okay.
I'm so nervous.
Don't be afraid. Okay. Let's start from now.
Okay.
The first question is, BU or international conference?
BU, because with the BU I can join conference. I have to say honestly.
Okay. The second question is, Indonesia or New York?
Indonesia.
Okay. And the last question is, getting married or marriage degree? Oh.
Answer I graduate from master degree. That's what I mean.
Okay.
Clear?
That's clear, right? Okay, so Redo, for the last question is, can you give us some your closing statement or your some quotes for our outside friends that still confused how to achieve their dreams?
Actually, the things that you have to do to achieve your dreams, first is you have to find your passion, and then you have to fight for it. Just because that just fight for it. And because no one is coming to save you. This life is 100% your responsibility. Because the goals without planning is just a wish without aim.
Oh my goodness, an awesome quote from our guest today, Redo Alka.
Thank you, Lela.
So viewers, that's all about our discuss today with our special guest star.
Redo Alka.
In the Talkshow, the game show. So I hope all of you guys that watching us can find your passion, find your information, and you can start to do your research right now. With me, Bella Salsabila. Thanks for watching. Have a great night and see ya.
It is you believe.
It is we achieve.